Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing part 1 of my bathroom mobile home makeover. Y'all, that first clip, that was the bathroom when we first brought this mobile home. So we had got both bathrooms done because it only had a half a bath in here. If you go back and you watch my very first video about my mobile home makeover, it'll show you my bathroom and how it used to look. So this was a mobile home office trailer. So we had to install 2 bathrooms in here, 2 full bathrooms. This is my little vanity area, and I'm gonna get some baskets to go in the cubbies. But this was an old mirror that I had, so I didn't want to waste anything by buying a new vanity. And I also had this for my towels, so I was like, let's reuse this, let's repurpose this. So I'm gonna get the Dollar General, I have to show you. It's gonna be in part 2, so definitely come back. But it's like little lights that you can stick on the sides and across the top to make it where I can light up and sit down and do my hair, whatever I want to right here.